Hey guys, we have Uche with us here today and we're about to transform her. I'm about to do her hair using this wig from ULAHAIR. So this is their highlight colored crochet, feathered crochet. I'm going to put all the details for you guys to see. And this hair is so gorgeous. The color is so fun. I think fun is the right word. Let me show you guys. So this is it. It comes with lashes, comb, wig cap, book, and bonnet. And this is what it looks like straight out the box. Guys, I know sometimes these things look small, but this can give you, 2 packs of this can give you a full head of hair. Exhibit A, you guys are going to see it today. So I have 2 packs of this from ULAHAIR. The color is very flirty and just very nice. Yeah, so I'm going to be trying something different with her today. I'm not going to do like the full crochet. We're going to have like some braids in front and then crochet at the back. It's going to look so cute. So without further ado, let's just go on and start. So I'm going to braid her hair first. Braids coming in 3, 2, 1. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see. So each pack has 5 rings and this is the size of each ring. So this is 1 full pack. This is what it looks like. This is 1 strand. Guys, so this is 1 pack, not 1 pack, this is 1 ring. You know how I told you guys it has 5 rings? So this is 1 ring and I just opened the second ring. So this is the second ring. It looks small here, right? But then when you put it on, this is 2 lines of hair with just 1 ring. This is 1 pack done and this hair is so full and I've not even like combed it out and tried to like arrange it. So now we're going to weave the front and then add this to the tips. This hair is so beautiful, you guys. All the details you need you're going to find in my description box below, so do check it out. Uche was really feeling herself and then I wish I actually installed this on myself, but anyways, check out all the details in my description.
All I want is all of you, baby, baby. Nothing less than that will do, baby, baby. You take me higher, higher, higher. You set my soul on fire, fire, baby. You gave me like no one before. you want me more and more. It's true. You take me set my soul on fire, fire.
What of the shelf? Oh, this is so gorgeous.
4 minutes.
Oh, this is so nice. Now, let me give you guys a quick studio tour, office tour. I'm so in love. Like, saying I'm in love is an understatement. Like, I'm so in love. Oh my gosh. Well, it's like, let's say 80% ready, but I can't wait anymore. I'm already using it. But let me give you guys a tour, okay? So when you enter the door to my office, by the way, I want to change this door to a smart door so that people will not have access. And it has like a chip somewhere over there. Yeah, basically. Not the door, sorry, the handle. I want to change the handle to like a smart door, repaint this white part because it has some things on it. But anyways, on this side, you're going to find this, okay? This is the background that you're going to be seeing in my videos and most things I do, really, even though I still use other parts of the office. But this is the standard background. You guys can see my window, the blinds are up, but the window is not open now, so the lighting is not what it usually is when I'm filming with natural light, but at least you get the vibe. Yeah, so this is what the back looks like. I love all this piece. I see a picture here. I know this picture of me and I don't know. I don't know that I put this picture here, most likely. But anyways, so I have these very cute pieces on here. Okay, and then I have this diffuser. This thing smells heavenly. I shouldn't have a diffuser in this house, but I just couldn't help putting one in my office because Kaito actually like reacts, but I just couldn't help it. But I might end up removing this diffuser because he comes to my office sometimes, even though I ban my kids from coming here. But this is the background that you guys see. And then I have two chairs over here. This is not the table that's supposed to be here, but it's just here for now. The table is probably going to match that thing over there. So I have two chairs here. My husband bought a printer and I actually just let him drop it here because it just fit this table perfectly. And then you guys can see the shelves. Oh, it is so nice. I love the lights. Yeah, so I have the shelves here. That box has clothes that I'm yet to try, that's why it's there. And then my table, I do not have an office chair quite yet, so I'm using this chair. This is not like a proper office chair, so I need an office chair. So I didn't put anything there, so like my chair can go in and I can clip like cameras or like mics and stuff like that. And then I have more storage here and obviously drawers here. And then on this side, there's a plant there and also a couch. This is the most comfortable couch ever. When I tell you this is comfortable, it is so comfortable. And then my center rug and a painting is supposed to go here. I don't know if it's 1 or 2. And also, I'm also supposed to have painting here. I don't know the plan yet. And this blind, you guys can see the blind there is still white. It's actually supposed to be brown to match like the whole vibe of the office. So they've not brought that one. They were supposed to bring it yesterday, so maybe they'll actually bring it today, I don't know. But like that is my office right now. It is very cute. Like it's so beautiful, so gorgeous, especially this background. And then I love this mirror because now I can take mirror pics. You guys, I can take mirror pics. I'm so happy. Like I am so freaking happy. I just love how everything turned out. The interior decorator that did everything, 10 over 10. Like I really love everything that she put together. Like it's just fantastic. Okay, money well spent. And that's on period. Okay, I'm doing too much because I'm really just enjoying this mirror and enjoying looking at myself in the mirror. And then okay, that's it for the tour. So let's go back to the video. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Where are we going?
You already know you're just going out with me. Adana and I just finished filming a reel. You guys are gonna see it. I'll probably put it on YouTube as well. Okay.
And where are we going?
I don't know yet, but I'll let you know.
Okay. Thanks for watching. I don't know. And subscribe.
You guys, look at my new hair. I love my new hair. It is so nice. I braided my hair yesterday. You guys can see it is so gorgeous. This might be my favorite style ever. Like, I rarely do braids. You guys should already know that by now. I'm a ponytail girly or a wig girly, but you see this particular style, I can do it all year long. I love it so much. I also got my facials like 3 days ago, so my spots are way darker. I'm waiting for them to peel off. My face is not gonna peel, but I normally treat my spots like with extra. They normally treat it extra so that my spots can actually like peel off, because I reacted to a product recently, you guys. I reacted to a product. But anyways, I'm here to show you guys my hair, and I'm off to do my nails now. Off to get my nails done. It's very unlike me to have my nails like this. Can you guys see? I like to do my nails. You guys, so I was supposed to put up this vlog today, and it is Adeze's birthday today, and I was just chatting with her. They just delivered her birthday present and she's so happy and I'm so happy. So I'm just here to officially wish her a happy birthday. So happy birthday, Adeze. Like, you're such an amazing person, such an amazing friend. It's so funny how Adeze traveled, but somehow we got even closer. I don't even know how that's possible. Like, we literally talk on the phone for hours. But fun fact, yeah, since she traveled, we're not talking like all the time. Unlike when she was around, we used to see like every single day or every other day. But we're not talking like every day. But then whenever we talk, it's like hours and hours and hours, and we catch up. As in, it's just good to have genuine friendships, especially knowing what the world is right now, how people are right now. It just like feels really good, and I'm so grateful for that friendship. I do not take it for granted. I love you so much, Adeze, and I need you to watch this video and comment how much you love me back in the comments. And I don't mean one-line comments. I mean like at least 3 sentences. I wanted to say 5, but because you're birthday, I don't want to stress you. So at least 3 sentences of I love you so much, Nelo. You are the best thing to ever happen in my life. And say it exactly how I said it now. Thank you very much. And then add your own. Anyways, I rushed back home. Adana is still at the salon doing her hair, and I have what's it called? I have a meeting. Well, it was supposed to be at 2, but they just moved it. So I'm just gonna end this vlog here so that I can finish up the editing and post this video for you guys today. Oh my guys, I have so much. I announced my new brand yesterday, so my event planner is calling me. I'll call her back. My event planner is calling me for the launch, the brand launch. I'm going to come here later with the details. We're not even sure yet of when and like how it will happen, but we're in the planning process, and I'm obviously going to invite some of you guys. It's going to be like the best event you've ever attended. Trust me, it's going to be like the best event you've ever attended, and that's on period. Okay, anyways, my event planner is calling me, so I gotta go. But I think my nails are so ashy. I just washed my hand. I didn't moisturize, but that's the color I ended up going for. Please ignore the ashiness. Let me go far. That's the shade, just very simple. I did the same, not the same exactly, but like a very similar shade on my feet. Nothing more, nothing less. So your girl is ready now. I have new hair that I love, nails that I love, and I'm ready. Okay, I am just ready to enjoy the next few weeks. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Wish Adeze a happy birthday in the comments, and I'll catch you guys. Also, the photo shoot you guys saw is actually for my brand, All That Good Stuff Lifestyle. Just go to Instagram. You get all the tea on Instagram. The brand Instagram is All That Good Stuff Lifestyle. You guys, I have a lot coming up, and I'm so happy. Like, I'm going to do like a proper video to explain what this brand is about, and like the whole thought process and what to expect from the brand and everything. And I have a whole brand manager who is like the most amazing person ever. You guys, I even forgot what I was saying because my kids started fighting. Kaito came here crying. But just follow my Instagram, follow the brand Instagram, and you're gonna get all the details